Baby, I feel so comfortable in this. Like, I wanted to have this in another color. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing a keep or return try-on haul that we got for Rainbow. Alright guys, so here's one of the outfits. This set is in a 1X in both pieces. Like it. I feel like I should be on vacation somewhere. It does have pockets, some stretch. Not too much stretch in like the thigh area. If I was to put the outfit together. I think I like the white press better because I feel like it gives it that pop of color because it's already dark. Are we keeping it or returning? We'll keep it. Alright guys, so we got the next outfit on, which is the red stripe situation. Now they, just like the green one, this does button up. I'm just keeping it open for the sake of trying everything on. It's kind of loose, like oversized. I probably could go down the side of the pants. Y'all see how much of a gap it is. It does have a lot of room in the thigh area. Is it a keep or return? Don't you know? Oh, this is my favorite color. I like this so much. The color on my skin, baby. The pants, stretch, the shirt, cute. I wish that they are really long. I'm not that tall, so they are kind of dragging on the floor. See-through. And I have, well, this white top is actually like a bodysuit. You can turn around. Well, it's gonna look like I got a wedgie. But not only are they too big, but they super long. To the key. This blue is fire. This blue is hot. I like this. And it got pockets. It's stretch. It's like the material kind of feel like that. I don't know. What is it called? Like I don't know what's the material called, but it's soft. The waffle knit. I'm gonna look up what the name of the texture is, but y'all get it. Like, this feels so good. It's high, then it goes low. I like this a lot. Like, look at this. Baby, I feel so comfortable in this. Like, I really like this a lot. I wanted to have this in another color. Like, this a keep or a return. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment below which outfit was your favorite, which one would you keep, or which one would you return. And see you guys next time. Bye.